Alright, y'all. Electric scooter. Place the tires. Got everything. I think I bought all this off Amazon. Little tool set my mom bought me. T-Boo. Get the job done. Bought these off Amazon. Tires came with one, but I know one is not enough, so bought two more. Yeah, finna get to it. See my tires. Long overdue. Chunks missing out. Front ones, they real bad too. Can't really tell, but yeah, they real bad. Got my water ready. Ain't gonna boil them inside of there because I use that for cooking, so just pour the water in here. But yeah, gonna get to it. Was gonna record the whole video, but I'm not. I'm just focused on getting this set up. I'll show y'all how it came out when I'm done. All right, get to it.